Merry Christmas, beautiful people around the world. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Yukin. I hope you're loving yourself as much as I love you all. I really hope so, because today, ladies and gentlemen, is Christmas Eve. I'm excited about the holidays, the new year, 2024, 2025, all that, man. I'm excited about it. So I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thank you guys for the support. This year has been crazy. Even though it hasn't been super consistent, hopefully next year, my goal is to be way more consistent than I've ever been, especially with all these gaming content that's going to be coming out lately, man. All this crypto gaming stuff. Hopefully try to give you guys some insight on some new games out there as well, but also just be able to stream some like Shrapnel, maybe some big time, Parallel. I mean, there's so many big games out there coming out in this next year. I'm excited about it, but I'm even more excited about something else, and that's investing into some of the altcoins or lower cap coins that aren't on Coinbase right now. Then I'm talking about Coinbase Wallet. I think Coinbase Wallet right now is the best solution right now for someone that lives in the United States to be able to buy something that is low cap, gives you the flexibility. It doesn't have everything, so I just don't want to let you guys know. I'm not sponsored to talk about this as well, so this is not a financial advice as well, but this is hopefully if you guys are trying to find something that to buy, whether just you don't want to buy Bitcoin all the time because it's too high. Ethereum's too high. Solana is starting to get too high. You want to buy something that you could probably get more of a return for, right? And maybe a more risky play, right? That's where hopefully this video that helps you out with that, because again, Coinbase Wallet is with Coinbase, but it's this kind of like own secondary thing that is allowing a lot more of the coins to be a part of that app. And some of the exciting things as well with Coinbase, and I know this is not really with Coinbase Wallet, but it is kind of integrated with Coinbase Wallet because this is Coinbase NFTs, and most of your stuff that is going to be NFT based, you can actually have it on Coinbase Wallet. So again, this is really awesome. I just saw this earlier today and I was like, man, because I just got an airdrop. One of the listings popped up as Coinbase Wallet. Usually it's like OpenSea or Magic Eden, but this popped up as Coinbase NFTs. So I was like, oh, this is interesting. So I just signed up today. I realized I was like, whoa, this is like an NFT marketplace, like very much like, the other ones as well. So exciting, great thing for, Coinbase to be able to have an NFT thing for them. And again, everything's gonna be fully integrated now with NFTs now fully on their own marketplace to be able to sell it on there instead of like OpenSea and all the other stuff. They have their own stuff now. They have Coinbase Wallet. We can buy altcoins, and they have Coinbase for going to be like, the general public, right? So this is going to be exciting time, man. It's an exciting time, and I'm excited to see where the future with Coinbase in general. But let's jump over into seeing some of the altcoins that you can buy on Coinbase, and I'm going to explain some of the things that you're going to have to learn and understand when it comes to investing into these coins. There's going to be some complications, but hopefully this video helps you guys out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're in my wallet right now. Now, obviously, this is not my full investing profile. I actually have some assets that I've actually hidden on this. So I just want to let you guys know this is literally not what I totally invested. This is not my full investing. $14 is not it. Okay, I have a lot more money into it. But again, I just don't want to showcase everything. I kind of want to showcase what some of the, the smaller ones are, right? Especially with Ethereum, AVAX, Polygon. There's other ones, there's other chains as well. So it's not even just those that you can get. Obviously, if I hit buy on the top left there, obviously it's going to tell me if I want to, buy anything. Obviously I can buy Bitcoin, I can buy Ethereum, buy USDC. I can even transfer the money that I have on Coinbase and transfer to Coinbase Wallet. I know it's a little bit confusing to being able to do all that stuff right there. You would think just buying a new asset, being able to do it on there is easy. It is easy, but I've noticed that I've had some issues with having a limit to my buying. So that's very annoying. And for some reason, I don't know if it does it every year, if it's like every other month or something like that, but last time I bought something was probably last year, or had to been within a year or so. But for some reason, it only has like 3 pennies left, and I can't even put 3 pennies into the market. So I just been doing the other option, and for me, it's a lot easier. It's just to buy stuff just from Coinbase. So again, you can buy all those assets there. You can transfer it from Coinbase. For me personally, I like to transfer it just to make my life a lot easier. So for instance, like I said, there's different coins out there that will have their own network, right? For instance, Ethereum, AVAX, Polygon. I can't. The list goes on and on with BNB, Opium, Arbitrum. Even Base. I don't know if that's like Coinbase's Base. I don't really know that's a new one. But anyway, but they have their own network, so they have everything that's the coins that are working on their network is going to be a part of their network, if that makes sense, right? So for instance, Ethereum has got a lot of coins that's already on the network, so you'll have more options with Ethereum. Now, AVAX is more of a gaming company, so you'll start seeing more like meme projects, maybe more NFT projects, or just gaming stuff, and maybe some other projects as well. But again, you kind of want to figure out, you want to do your research when investing into those projects, but also to seeing what network they're going to be on, because that's the most important part as well, right? Even though that you're like putting all your money in Ethereum, you're like, okay, cool. Like I put all my money into it now. Now what do I do? You could bridge it. See in the middle right here, we have a little bridging area. So right next to swap, you hit bridge, and this is kind of where I was talking about, right? I'm transferring the Ethereum stuff over into, for instance, Opium or Arbitrum, or maybe it's just Polygon, right? If I want to do the Arbitrum, so it'd be the same thing. So literally I can hit max, I can hit 50%, I can hit 25%, right? So if I hit max, obviously it's not gonna, I for Ethereum, you have to pay a little bit more fees to it. That's one of the biggest flaws, especially with Ethereum in general, and especially with these fees as well. Ethereum in general is going to be the highest fees known to man, unfortunately. And who knows within this video, it could go down a lot more. But as of right now, for making this video, the fees are so high that it starts becoming unbearable. It just even transferring this to Arbitrum, I will have Arbitrum of Ethereum. So it will be on the Arbitrum chain, but it'll be Ethereum on the Arbitrum chain. If that makes any sense, it's still the same thing. It's just on a different chain, but you can transfer that because it's on that chain, specifically on that chain. And that's where we're going to be talking about these coins, right? Now, obviously, I kind of just went there to check on something, but for instance, one of the coins that is on the AVAX chain, so for the Avalanche chain, is on the Avalanche C chain right here. So like I said, this is where the confusing part can come through. So if you're going to buy anything that's like Avalanche, Ethereum, make sure to buy those coins separately, right? Make sure to have those in their own network. So for instance, if you're doing my method, the method I was doing, from buying it from Coinbase and they're transferring it over into Coinbase Wallet, make sure you buy AVAX or Avalanche on Coinbase, transfer it over into the same wallet, because you can transfer it over with the same ID as well. Transfer it over into the wallet that you have over there, and you're able to have AVAX on the AVAX chain, if that makes sense. Now, if you're going to buy Ethereum, you want to do the same thing, because again, you could lose these funds as well. That's why I always recommend to do a small amount of money first to see if it actually transfers over. If it does transfer over, you do have that saved up option that you did your previous transaction at, and you just put the rest of the amount in there. You'll know it's going to be seamlessly. It'll work perfectly. It'll be fine. So, and it'll tell you how long it will take as well. But anyway, so you're going to hit swap, for instance. So for instance, I want to buy this, right? I'm like, oh, I'm so in it. I believe in the project. Right now I only have, $1.15. So, but I'm only going to put like 50 cents and see if it works, right? I get 182,000 of it. Perfect. And look, I can actually swap it right now and be able to get 182,000 of this coin, right? Really low, really low market cap. This is a really small market cap meme coin. So again, I'm not investing into it right now. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. But for the AVAX chain, or the Avalanche chain, it does show you that it's about 47 to 64 cents. That's the average. Depending on your on your money, if you have a lot more, it may go up a little bit more, but it's not going to go dramatically like Ethereum is. So, and it also updates every single time as well. It always has a new quote to it as well. So that's pretty cool. That's a cool thing that they have there as well. So if I want to do that, I can swap it and it'll just transfer it over. And then obviously it'll show up on my assets. It'll have all the stuff that I have right there that I'm, investing into. My NFTs as well is also there as well. I'll just show you guys some of the NFTs that I already have right there. Boom. And then my DeFis. It's all there. Everything is pretty much kind of like stored into this one wallet, which is really nice and really convenient. I think this Coinbase wallet is really awesome, especially with this new wave of new money coming into, especially for the people, again, in the United States. It's a big thing. I hope you guys enjoy this video, because I hope this gives you some valuable information of learning some new tokens out there, because I may have just shown one, but there's other apps, other coins out there as well. When you're putting into, make sure to understand, to seeing the top portion of it, because it does tell you which chain it is going to be on. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I appreciate the love and support. I hope this guys gave you guys some valuable information and investing into crypto, again, NFTs, all that stuff like that. And hopefully this app brings you some joy and some understanding on that you can buy certain things. You don't have to wait for the other apps to, you don't have to wait for Coinbase itself, the big app, to do all the, integrating into that app, because this Coinbase wallet does it for you. It has literally the coins there. You're just waiting for you to buy it. So hope you guys have a good day. Thank you all so much for watching. And I hope we can stay united as one, rise up to every challenge, be ourselves and follow our dreams, because I know you can do it. I love you all.